Just want to give you a little update on the Voyage collection. This collection was pre-released with 3 designs. It's all nautical, somewhat cruise-based, tropical locations, a few sort of cold water things. So I'm formatting these. This isn't completely exactly set in stone, but this is pretty close to how the final graphics are going to look. So we got the first 3 here that are already included in the pre-release, and then we've got mermaid in a cocktail glass, a flag, nice little tropical cruise scene right there, anchor with a palm tree, a helm, steering wheel for a boat. The banner can be moved, so this helm is intact by itself. Got an octopus here with a trident. The trident can also be removed or moved around. You could replace it with something else from a different collection or a graphic that you draw yourself. This one isn't quite finalized. Everything's going to kind of fit in that circle right there. Nice little sailboat scene. There's a skeleton inside a whale. Customer had suggested maybe having it so the whale or the skeleton could be above the whale, and I think what I'm going to do is make it so you could prop him up there, but I still have to work on that a little bit so it looks good. I've got a shark on an anchor. The shark can be moved. The anchor can be moved, used separately if you want. Sailboat in a whiskey glass. There's a kind of a skull captain. Captain's hat can be removed, used by itself. The wave can be moved, used by itself. The skull can be moved and used by itself, or combined with other graphics, that sort of thing. Pelican on a iceberg. Ship in a bottle. Another ship, kind of vintage style, how they used to draw boats. This one's very clean vector artwork. Pelican on a kind of like an oversized mooring cleat for sort of like a big ship. Pelican obviously can be removed from this mooring cleat if you don't want it. There's a anchor, very clean vector style. There's a lighthouse and a wave, giant wave. Lighthouse can be moved. And still working on this one, just a real clean sun. There's a mermaid holding a trident. Trident can be removed also. Tugboat. And this one's kind of based off a compass. And there's the smiley face hammock scene. So that's kind of what it's looking like right now, and these will be out tomorrow in the Voyage collection. All the text can be changed to whatever you want. These are in vector format. They work in Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Affinity. There's also a version for Photoshop if you order the Adobe version. Those are raster based, but their size quite high enough for making t-shirts, hats, and any printed product. That's it. Thanks for watching.